Delegated Proof of Stake, commonly known as DPoS, is a blockchain consensus mechanism that introduces a democratic voting system to validate transactions. This consensus algorithm was developed by Daniel Larimer in 2014 as an advancement of the traditional proof of stake model. In this series, we'll explore how the DPoS voting system works and understand its implementation in popular blockchains like EOS and TRON. DPoS operates by adding a democratic layer to blockchain consensus. Instead of requiring all token holders to validate transactions directly, DPoS allows token holders to vote for trusted delegates who will validate transactions on their behalf. This approach creates an efficiency-first system where a small group of elected validators, known as block producers or witnesses, handle the validation process. This delegation mechanism ensures faster consensus and higher transaction throughput compared to traditional proof of work or standard proof of stake systems. The DPoS voting process follows 3 key steps. First, token holders stake their tokens to gain voting power in the network. The more tokens you stake, the greater your influence in the election process. Second, token holders cast their votes to select delegates they trust to validate blocks. Each token typically represents 1 vote, and users can vote for multiple candidates. Third, the candidates who receive the most votes become elected delegates or block producers. These top-ranked validators are then responsible for creating and validating new blocks on the blockchain. In DPoS systems, voting power is directly proportional to the number of tokens staked. The fundamental principle is simple: your vote equals your stake. This means that participants who stake more tokens have greater voting influence in electing block producers. Typically, 1 token equals 1 vote, creating a weighted voting system. An important feature of DPoS is flexibility. Voters can change their delegate choice at any time if they're dissatisfied with a delegate's performance or behavior. This continuous voting process ensures delegates remain accountable to the community. Block producers, also called delegates or witnesses, are the elected validators in a DPoS system. Different blockchains use different numbers of active block producers. EOS blockchain uses 21 active block producers who work in rotation to validate transactions and create new blocks. TRON blockchain operates with 27 super representatives who perform similar validation duties. This limited number of validators is a key feature of DPoS, as it enables faster block production and higher transaction speeds compared to systems with thousands of validators. Block producers have 4 main responsibilities in a DPoS network. They must validate and produce new blocks by verifying transactions and adding them to the blockchain. They are responsible for maintaining robust network infrastructure, including high-performance servers and reliable internet connections. Delegates must ensure high uptime and reliability, as missing blocks results in lost rewards and damaged reputation. Finally, delegates earn rewards for block production, which typically include transaction fees and newly minted tokens. These rewards are often shared proportionally with voters who supported their election. DPoS offers several significant advantages over other consensus mechanisms. First is high speed. With fewer validators involved in the consensus process, DPoS networks can process transactions much faster, often achieving block times of just a few seconds. Second is energy efficiency. Unlike proof-of-work systems that require intensive mining, DPoS requires no mining hardware, resulting in dramatically lower energy consumption. Third is scalability. The streamlined validator set allows DPoS blockchains to handle higher transaction throughput, making them suitable for large-scale applications. Finally, DPoS promotes democratic participation through its voting mechanism, giving the community direct influence over who validates their transactions. Despite its advantages, DPoS faces several challenges and concerns. Centralization risk is a primary concern, as the small number of validators may lead to power concentration among a few entities. Wealth influence is another issue. Since voting power is proportional to token holdings, large token holders have significantly greater influence over delegate elections than smaller participants. Collusion presents a security risk, as validators may cooperate with each other for mutual benefit rather than acting in the network's best interest. Finally, voter apathy can undermine the democratic nature of DPoS if most token holders don't actively participate in voting. A small group effectively controls the entire election process, potentially compromising decentralization.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.